This story is approximately a combine of sparrows living in concordance and peace. The couple of sparrows continuously steadfastly fly together over valleys and slopes. Their days are filled with cheerful chirping. The male sparrow, bravely, continuously ensures his mate, the female sparrow, in case threat undermines. When the breeding season arrives, the male sparrow brings nourishment to the female sparrow, who is brooding 2 eggs. Each day, the male sparrow inquires his mate in case the eggs have brought forth. The female sparrow does not need to tell him in the event that the eggs have brought forth, however, since the little chicks that brought forth are both male and female. Agreeing to the neighborhood laws, there cannot be 2 guys on a slope. In case the female sparrow hatches a male chick, it implies there will be 2 guys on the hill, her mate and her child. Subsequently, on the off chance that her mate finds out there's another male on the slope, he will slaughter the chick. Indeed, in the event that it is his possessed child, the male sparrow visits the female sparrow each day and inquires around the eggs she is hatching. The female sparrow educates him that the eggs have created 1 male and 1 female chick. She is stressed around the destiny of her male chick and is considering of how to spare it. A number of days afterward, the female sparrow informs the male sparrow that she is prepared to fly with him in 2 days. The male sparrow is exceptionally satisfied with this news. The female sparrow advises her chicks approximately this. She instruments her male chick to fly to another slope when his father comes to get them. On one hand, the female sparrow is upbeat to fly with her mate, but on the other hand, she is pitiful to portion with her male chick, all to ensure its life.